Hi everyone, if you're interested in how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So to prime my eyes, I'm using the Wet n Wild concealer. This concealer has a very tacky consistency in my opinion, so I like to use it before eyeshadow. To make sure the concealer doesn't crease and for the eyeshadows to adhere better, I'm applying a setting powder all over my lids. Taking this first color, I'm going all over my crease. I'm not really being accurate at this point, I'm just kind of applying the color everywhere. I'm doing the exact same thing with this color. At this point, I want to be a little bit more precise. I'm using a more pointed dome brush. This is from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm carving out my crease. I'm trying to create that line effect. As I carve out my crease using the e.l.f. brush, I like to go back with the original blending brush I was using, just to make sure there are no harsh edges. Cutting the crease is super difficult for me. My tips to you are having a steady hand and going super slowly. Look at that. It was going so well and then I messed up. Now I'm going to take this lighter shadow and set my concealer on my lid. I'm going to go back in with the e.l.f. brush to define it a little bit more, and then also go in with another very pointed pencil brush to really add definition in that crease. So I am dipping my brush back into the color Power Play to define the crease a little bit more. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. Also, this brush is from my Morphe brush set called the Eye Credible set, and it is back in stock, so I will link that down below. In order for everything to look nice and blended, I go back in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics brush. To define my outer corner even more, or my outer crease, I'm using the color Fashionista, which is like a black color, and putting that right into my crease and making sure it looks nice and blended with the Power Play color. Now I'm just patting this eyeshadow all over my lid. But now it's time for some glitter. So as you know, I love my STILA glitter eyeshadows. I'm using a very skinny liner brush and very slowly applying it into the areas where we had cut our crease. I am using the NYX Liquid Mat Liner. This is one of my favorite drugstore liners, and if you haven't tried it, please do. These two foundations mixed together is amazing. It will be in my next video, hopefully. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video so I can make some more. See ya! LOL, I was modeling thinking I was the ish, but I forgot lipstick. So this is the Dose of Colors More Creamer Please with Desi and Katie. Hope you all enjoyed. Thanks. See you soon.